We are now entering Times Square to take the 2 to South Ferry. Favorite is for Look Glass Meal. So we just boarded the shuttle at Grand Central to go to Times Square, and this is what we found. Why does that say 11? Yeah, there's a new 11 train that runs between Grand Central and Times Square, totally. What is going on with these roll signs? Now it says 1 Willets Point, Shea Street Stadium, and Chambers Street. What's next? Here's our 2 train.
This is South Ferry bound to Express train. The next stop is 34th Street.
Test passengers. 2 trains are now running between Chambers Street and Flatbush Avenue in either direction because of structural maintenance. For service between Manhattan and Brooklyn, take the NQR train to 42nd Street, at 42nd Street. To Atlantic Avenue Barclay, the transfers to the 5 train running on the 2 line between Nevins and Flatbush Avenue. 2 trains are running between Chambers and South Ferry.
Okay.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
Alright.
This is a South Ferry bound to Express train. The next stop is 14th Street. South Ferry bound to Express train. The next stop is Chambers Street. This is a South Ferry bound to local train. The next stop is WTC Portland. The next stop is Rector Street. The next and last stop is South Ferry.
Alrighty. We're about to approach South Ferry on a 2 train. Weird.
Being to that bus service.
Transfer is available to the Staten Island Ferry.
This is an accessible station.
Alrighty.
The elevator is at the front of the platform.
To South Ferry. Why is it not saying this is the last stop?
Closing doors on track 1, please.
Oh, to the Eastchester Dyer Avenue for some reason. Track 2? Which track is that? Oh, it's this one. Okay, that's weird. Didn't even make the announcements. Okay. That's weird. Bye, Mr. 2 Train. Alright. Bye-bye, 2 Train. And this 1 train. Here's the 1 train here.
Your safety is important to us.
Oh.
Please stand away from the platform edge, especially when trains enter and leave the station.
Okay. Oh, look at that Metro card. Metro card gone already, but okay. Well, this is weird. Look at this. The pink 4 and the black 5. Yeah, just enter through here if you wanna go back in time. That totally works. Totally. Yep, totally. That's not green. Pretend that's not green. Alright. Time for me to use my Omni card. That one transfer. That was not okay. I just threw that on the floor. Let's try that again. And that one transfer nice. 178. Okay. Brooklyn.
Local 4, train to Reroutes Avenue 4 minutes away.
Yeah, 4 trains are running Reroutes Avenue. Not because it's a late night, but because 2 and 3 trains aren't running to Brooklyn. Well, 3 is suspended, so yeah. Five to Flatbush Avenue weekdays and evenings. Well, it's weekend, and that sign's still accurate. Oh, what is? Does that say something? Hold on, that says something. What does that say? To Flatbush Avenue, Brooklyn. Rush hours. Other times take 4 to Nevin Street. For 2 to Flatbush Avenue. So that's supposed to be a 5 sign, but this platform was closed way before they put the 4 as a green color and the 2 as a red color. Why? I need I need answers about this. This is referring to the 5 train, but why is it here?
This is a Brooklyn College, Flatbush Avenue bound 5 train. The next stop is Bourbon Street.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
The Brooklyn College, Flatbush Avenue bound 5 train. The next stop is Grand Arms Drive.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
This is a Brooklyn College, Flatbush Avenue bound 5 train. The next stop is Eastern Parkway, Brooklyn Museum.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
The rest of these announcements are just any announcements you can find on a 5 train on a weekday, so I'm going to end the video here.
Brooklyn Museum. This is
Bye.